at Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2019 Buick Regal Sportback GS. This is performance inspired. It has those nice 19-inch aluminum wheels with Brembo brakes and red calipers on the front wheels. It has a powerful engine, 3.6 liter V6 with giving you 310 horsepower. What's great about the Sportback is the cargo area opens up into quite a spacious trunk, giving you also the 40-20-40 folding seats if you need more cargo options. It is intelligent all-wheel drive with an active twin clutch, meaning it'll send all the power to the wheel that has the best grip, giving you better traction on the slippery roads. There's a lot happening on the interior of this Buick Regal. Quite spacious back seat for leg room for 3 passengers. Also, you do have the all-weather floor liners. High performance front seats with the GS logo there. That just looks like a racing chair. Stepping in, you have all your standard features, your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, with the addition of navigation and heated seats, dual zone air conditioning. As well, you do have 3 different drive modes to choose from. You have Sport, GS, and Tour, depending on road conditions, just giving you more flexibility for driving. So that's a quick look at our 2019 Buick Regal Sportback GS. This is a powerful car, definitely built for performance. It's a great car to drive, really fun, especially on the highway. Also, it was a previous GM executive vehicle, so it's been well cared for and maintained. If you'd like some more information on this Regal, please give us a call, 905-725-6501. You can also text us at that number or visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.